I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream tacos. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, including waffle cones, your favorite ice cream, and any desired toppings. Next, we'll prepare the waffle cones by gently warming them to make them pliable. Then, we'll shape them into perfect taco shells. Finally, we'll fill them with ice cream and add those delightful finishing touches. Let's get started on this sweet adventure. Creating the perfect taco shell from a waffle cone is easier than you think. Start by warming your waffle cones in an oven preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 seconds. This makes them soft and flexible. Immediately after warming, carefully drape each cone over a wooden spoon handle or a similar rounded object. Hold it in place for 10 to 15 seconds until it cools and hardens into that classic taco shape. Repeat for all your shells. Now for the fun part, filling your ice cream tacos. Once your waffle shells are completely cooled and firm, it's time to scoop in your favorite ice cream. You can use one flavor or mix and match for a delightful surprise. After the ice cream, get creative with your toppings. Think sprinkles, chocolate sauce, chopped nuts, or even fresh fruit. For an extra special touch, dip the edges of your shells in melted chocolate before filling them. Enjoy customizing each one. Your delicious ice cream tacos are now ready to be devoured. Serve them immediately to enjoy the perfect combination of crispy shell and creamy ice cream. If you have any extra waffle shells, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for future taco creations. This recipe is a fantastic way to get creative in the kitchen and enjoy a unique dessert. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help with your cleanup. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.